Alright, hello everyone. My name is Cameron and welcome to my portfolio right here on Weebly. We're gonna go through everything right now. As you can see, we got the home right here, and right here we got my character that I have for you. I prefer not to show my face or anything about me, so I hope you can enjoy that. And we got a little intro. Greetings, my name is Cameron, and I am a person who inspires for the learning of history. Probably not the most well thought out, but we're going to stick with that. And welcome to my portfolio. We're going to go into the biography right now here. And a little bit about me. As you may know, my name is Cameron, and my favorite subject is history. It always comes second to none when it comes to history and other subjects for me in school. However, I do have my own personal hobbies outside of class, as sometimes I like to read, write, or even play video games, or even watch some television. I won't get into any more of that. My goal for when I finish my education from CWI is to transfer to a university and aim to earn my bachelor's degree. With that, I hope to become a historian or even a teacher of history, whether it comes to middle school or even high school. I hope to be able to guide students into a future with an understanding of why history is so important to this day. And I have gotten a chance to work on some Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint assignments, which I will show you right here, discussing a lesson plan right here. One example of what I've done includes this lesson plan right here: honorable death or not, the duel of Aaron Burr and Alexander Hamilton and the Coduello. And we go through how we're going to go through this lecture and what students will do as an activity right here. We also have an Excel assignment. Let's see if it shows. Looks like it is not showing here. Okay. Well, yikes. Alright, let's see if PowerPoint does. And there it goes. PowerPoint seems to be working with us. There's the Coduello duel of Burr and Hamilton. As you can see, we go through each slide discussing what it was and some references. Now, for the Microsoft Excel assignment, oh, there it is. Okay. So right here is just working with the assignment. Got some memes here for whether you become a teacher or not. And then we actually create some names, do some curriculum breakdown, and some pie charts. As you may see, that is what we do for Excel. We also did a signature assignment where here in this YouTube video discussed about some classroom technologies that we can work with in a classroom. I chose to go with a more kind of situation in that classroom technologies assignment that I did, discussing ChatGPT and how it can be a very harmful one. And last but not least, we got Screencast-O-Matic. Wait a minute. This is it. I will soon create an embed code for this, and you will see a embedded code and a video, and that's the video right here. Alright, so that will conclude my portfolio. Once it is complete, you will see a video with an embed code on my Screencast-O-Matic assignment right here. And once again, thank you for viewing this.